Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I bring you another tale. A tale of the time I owned that little diner on the road to nowhere, and I was Dave, chef to the stars. This is the day Emma Stone came in and asked me to make her a burger she had never had before, and I said okay. So I decided to start and create a new type of burger sauce. First, we're going to add a half a cup of mayo. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar, along with 2 teaspoons of pickle relish. And then we want to add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar to this, followed by some salt and pepper. Finally, 4 tablespoons worth, or about a quarter of a cup, of gochujang. You can find this in the Asian section of any Target, Walmart, large grocery store. And now we mix this up. And you want everything well incorporated, mixed together. And then put this in the fridge at least an hour before you make the burgers. Something that looks a little bit like that. Okay, we got our grill ready to go, got our burgers on the grill, and then you just want to season them up. Again, I'm just using a burger seasoning blend that my local grocery store makes in-house and sells. And then they're third-pound patties, so about 5 minutes aside, give or take. Basically, cook them till they're 160, and we should be good. All right, on to the next step. And now it's time to add the cheese to these burgers. And thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, they are done. So the first cheese you want to add is a nice white cheddar. And then you want to add a nice smoked mild cheddar. And then just close the cover on for about 60 seconds. Let the cheese melt up a bit. And we'll bring them on in the house. Okay, now we got a nicely toasted bun, and we're going to add some iceberg lettuce to that. Iceberg lettuce is the best lettuce for burgers. There is no debate on this. Followed by one of our patties. And now we're going to add a spoonful of our burger sauce. And, of course, adding some bacon, because bacon makes everything better. And, of course, gotta add some pickles. And now we're going to sauce the top bun and also add some diced white onions. And then take your top bun, put it on top, and that's it. So that's Emma Stone's burger. Done. And she did devour it. Though why she did it while watching Star Trek The Next Generation in Portuguese, I haven't the foggiest.